Go.
Go.
After pounding, then you get a soft like this. This is the finished one you need. Then when you have this one, and look back here.
Let's turn around.
Turn around and look here. These are the bases. Yeah, this is the engine blocks. It's good for fire. That's how they try to use it. And this is the basis. They divide the liquid into two. Then when you divide it, you add water on it and put firewood under this basis and leave it on fire for 4 hours. And first 4 hours, they use this nut and the basket. Today they don't have a lot of fire. That's why we see here is cool, or here is empty. And they use this one to sieve it or to screen, so you get the juice. Then after, this is the color. The first one you get from the back.
Very deep.
It's like red or brown. Okay. Then when you get this one a day, you didn't finish. The next day, you send it to fire again because you can't use this one to stamp. And the more you leave it on fire, the more it's coming down. I'm also doing the
see, look at her hand.
Okay.
Basically, what he's saying is that after separating the chaff from the water, then you leave it down for the water to settle. Okay, after the water and that takes about 24 hours. So after 24 hours, you can put it on fire again and let it boil for 4 hours. Take it off, let it settle for 24 hours, and then you go in again for the third one. It's been, you do it like that for 4 times. And the fourth one, you see every firing, the color changes. Every firing, the color changes. So let's see the...
And this, is you put charcoal in here to light the fire?
No, it's firewood.
And then this just holds up. Okay.
This is herb.
And he says these are from where?
And this is the 2 days on fire.
Oh, it's engine blocks.
Engine blocks.
Explaining the
This is 2 days on fire.
Oh, it's a different color.
So you see the first one is lighter, and this one is getting thicker and darker.
You see?
Oh, pretty.
Okay. Let's go back here and see the third one. Come this way.
Charcoal, pretty color.
How the pot
You know what I think. That's how I was going to message
Wow. You have to be careful.
That like engine oil ain't been changed in about 3 years.
Watch that. Watch
More
that.
family,
Watch
man.
that.
Yeah, you
But yeah, why?
lockjaw there.
Ofang me pesa me de kire o man san, bia na mo fa kwa ye nche symbols no wie na enye. This is 3 days on fire.
The third one.
The third one. The more you leave it on fire, and this is the final one.
Yes.
You see?
So how many days?
This is for 1 week.
1
You
week.
leave this one for 1 week to get this thick one. If you don't get this thick one, you can use to make the natural dye. And this one, don't add anything to it, only the water in the back. The only thing you need to get, you get more firewood and leave it on fire day and night before you can get this. Okay?
Okay.
Any question?
Yes. Is this something men do, women do, or both?
Men and women.
Together.
Yes. You see the women do the pounding.
Yes.
The men also can do the firewood.
Yes.
And the men also do the printing. And the women also do the dye. So they do everything together. So let's go out and see the symbols.
We're going to see the Adinkra symbols.
All along the way. Look to the right. Look to the right. Almost the die. That's the die. Be careful.
Everyone be careful.
How much is this?
Which one?
How much? I got the Sankofa. Where's Guillaume at?
Please come this way.
There's Guillaume right there.
I go.
Amen.
Come this way.